Hi learners, welcome to my YouTube channel. Thanks for joining me for another math session. So today we are going to see the part 5 of the same topic, that is the exponents and powers. So first thing, let us see how to find the value of x. So this is the question given over here. So now you can see here this is multiplication and the base are same. So we have the rule, that is a raised to m into a raised to n, that will be a raised to m plus n. So we'll take the base only once and we are going to add this one. So that will be minus 3 minus 11. So here it can be, you can also write this as like this. Both is the same, plus minus becomes minus. And this right hand side will be the same. This, whenever you add minus 11 minus 3, you are going to add this one, but the sign will be minus over here. So now you can see the base is the same. So the exponent should be same. So minus 14 is 7x. So minus 14 by 7, because this is multiplication. If it goes to the other side, this is going to get divided. So 7 ones are 7 twos are, that will be minus 2 is equal to x, and that can be also written as x is equal to minus 2. Now look at here. This is the question. Again here that is the same. Base is the same. That is 3 minus 6 we'll write over here, because the formula is a raised to m into a raised to n is equal to a raised to m plus n. Now the base is the same, so exponent should be the same. So here first thing let us do here. 3 minus 6, that will be minus 3, minus 6 plus 3. You are going to subtract it. So that will be 3, and you are going to put the bigger number sign, that will be minus 3. And this will be same. So now the base is the same. This exponent should be same. So minus 3 is equal to this one. So now you will bring this minus 3 is here itself. This minus 1, if you bring it on this side, it is going to be plus 1. This 2x on the same side. So minus 3 plus 1, that is going to be minus 2. So this is multiplication. So this same. Here this will go in the denominator. This 2 will go in the denominator. So that will be 2 ones are. That will be minus 1 is equal to x. That will x is equal to minus 1. Now look at here. Here what we can see, this is 8 and this is 32. All three are different numbers. So first thing what we can do, we can make it to 2. Like 8 is nothing but 2 into 2 into 2. So that will be 2 cube. This will be as it is. 32 is nothing but, you can take the factors. If you don't know directly, you can take like this. 2 16s are, 2 8s are, 2 4s are, 2 2s are, and 2 1s are. So how many 2s are here? 3, 4, 5. So there are 5 2s here. So now this is actually, the base is the same. So the exponent should be added. That will be a raised to m into a raised to n. That is a raised to m plus n. So this is added. This is the same. So now you can take the like terms together. X over here. This will be added. So now again the base is the same. So the exponent should be same. So x plus 5 is equal to 5. X here. 5 on the same place. If you take plus 5 on the other side, it will be minus 5. So the value of x is 0. 5 minus 5 is 0. Now look at here. This again, this one. So now what you can see, this is 6, this is 36 and 6. So here 6 times 6 is 36. So now this same. This we can write 6 raised to 2. That is nothing but 6 into 6. And this is the same. Now, because this is division, the base is the same. So we have the formula a raised to m divided by a raised to n. That is a raised to m minus n. So you are going to subtract the exponents. So this is what? This same. So now let us take the like terms, 2x as it is, minus 2 plus 1. So this is going to be subtracted. This will be 1. Bigger number sign, minus 1. So this is minus 1. So now again the base is the same. So the exponent should be same. So we'll write the exponents as it is. Now let us take x on one side. 2x is here. 3 is already over here. This minus 1, when it goes to the other side, that will become plus 1. So now 2x is 4. So x will be, this is multiplication. So it will go to the other side. It will get divided. So 4 by 2, that will be 2 ones are, 2 twos are. So x is 2. Now look at this problem. So now here what you can see, this is 2, 5, and this is 150, 1250, sorry. So here you will keep this, you can put this as 2 raised to, because see, can you see this one? The exponent is x minus 4. So this x minus 7, you can make it to x minus 4 minus 3. So you can put it like this, 2 raised to x minus 4, and here 2 raised to 2 raised to minus 3, because what, when you're going, these are the bases the same. When you add this both, it is going to be x minus 4 minus 3. So now what you can do after taking this one, this will be the same. So here, what are you going to do? Now look at here. This will be as it is. Now this is negative. This will, when it goes to the denominator, it is going to be positive. You have to make it to positive here. And this will be the same. And this is the same. So now what you can see over here, that is now these are the same. Exponents are the same. The bases are different. So what are you going to do? You are going to multiply there is a rule, a into b raised to m, that will be a raised to m into b raised to m. So the exponents are the same. So what are you going to do? You will a raised to m into b raised to m. This is in this one. So that will be a raised to b into m. So this is a and this is b. So now what you can do here, you will multiply this and this one, and the exponent you are going to write it only once, and this as it is over here. So now what you can do here, again this will be the same. This you are going to expand, that is going to be 8, and this is the same. So now look at here, this is going to be the same. This you will put it on this side. So 1250 into 8. So this is the same. 1250 into 8 will be 10,000. So now what we can write here, this you will write the same, but 10,000 is nothing but how many zeros are here? 1, 2, 3, 4. So you will write here 10 to the power of 4. So now look at here, this 5 2s are 10, and this the exponent the same, and this the same. So now you can see why did we do like this? Because we wanted either the base or the exponent should be same. So now the base is the same, so the exponent should be same. So now x minus 4 is 4. So what will you do here? X as it is, this 4 as it is, this minus 4 will be plus 4. So x is going to be 8. And now look at here. This is the question given. So here p by q as it is, this also as it is, this is all written. The question is given as it is. Now look at here. Now we are going to make, this is the negative exponent. So we are going to make it to positive, means this will get flip over. That will be 3 by 2 will become 2 by 3 and raised to 2. And anything raised to 0, it should be 1. So this should be 1. So now what will you do? This into this, because a by b raised to m, that will be a raised to m divided by b raised to m. So that will be 4 by 9. And divided by 1. So divided by 1 means that doesn't make any sense. Even if you put multiply by 1 by 1. So divide will become 1 by 1. This will be the reciprocal. So the value is going to be the same. Or even if you write 4 by 9 divided by 1, the answer is going to be the same. So now what do you want over here? They are asked for the p by q raised to here. This is minus 3. So this is the question we want, and we got the value, whatever the value we got, this is the value of p by q. You can write here p by q if you want here also. So p by q, so we wrote here 4. In place of this, we wrote, in place of p by q, we wrote here 4 by 9, and this is negative 3. But now whenever there is exponent negative means we make it to positive. So what did I do here? I flipped over this one. So 9 by 5, and this became positive. So this also can be written as, so now you see here, 9 is a perfect square. So 3 raised to 2, and even 4 for 2 raised to 2. So what did I do here? I wrote here 3 by 2 because both the powers are 2. So this is what I wrote, and this 3 here. So now what we can do? We can multiply this into this. So that is a rule that a by b raised to m raised to n, that will be, this will be a by b raised to mn. So now this into this, that is going to be 6. So this is the answer. So by this one, we have completed today's work. Please do like and subscribe to this channel so you get a notification of the other parts and many more. Thank you.